Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my mother. Number 1. My mother is my favorite person. Number 2. She is kind and loving. Number 3. My mother helps me with my homework. Number 4. She always listens to my problems. Number 5. My mother has a beautiful smile. Number 6. She loves to spend time with me. Number 7. My mother is strong and brave. Number 8. She teaches me important life lessons. Number 9. My mother is a great friend to me. Number 10. She always encourages me to do my best. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.